In this video, I'll show you how to change your Android phone to make a sound when you plug in a charger. Now I plugged in the charger, but it shows this kind of wave on the screen, and it shows the notification here that it is charging. It has this kind of plugged in battery, but it doesn't make a sound. To enable the sound when you plug in a charger, go to the settings, open the settings page on your Android phone, and scroll to the sound and vibration page. All the way down on the sound and vibration, go to the charging sounds. This charging sounds and vibration. The charging sounds and vibration. This is the option you want to enable, and now this is enabled. Now I can get the charger again, and you will hear some sound when I plug it in. That's it. It's not very loud. It shouldn't be it shouldn't be too much. That's the sound. Now it's making the sound when you plug in. It's not very loud. It's not too long. And other than that, you have the notification here, confirmation that your phone is charging, and that kind of wave on the screen. But you also get the sound now. Now the sound is on. Thanks for watching.